Hey people, now on my channel, seriously, this is something I've been doing in the past and I intend to do it again, in the future, and that is speak about pages that I think are super special and everyone ought to follow. I mean, on Instagram, like, because now YouTube, Instagram, all these social media platforms are basically, it's the same people on different platforms, right? So, there is this page called The Creative Soul, and the lady, the 4G wife who runs that page, I happen to have had just one conversation with her, but with some people it's even that one conversation can make you feel like you know them forever, or they give you that friend vibe, like as in it's like you've known her for years, that kind of thing. But the reason I'm making this video is her work needs to be seen to be believed. I mean, like, as a 4G wife, I feel the ones who have to constantly travel, like I personally know of a family, army family, who had to travel 30 times, who had to shift homes 30 times during the tenure of my uncle, this army family that I knew. So I think in such a case it is that much more amazing when someone takes the time to have this thing of home decor that is at another level. So people, you'll have to check out this page. It's called The Creative Soul, and just looking at the images of how well she's kept her house, her drawing room, her everything, it's like browsing through a cozier version of the Inside Outside magazine, like the architecture Inside Outside magazine. So truly, people, The Creative Soul. And it's like Sonali, I've spoken to her just once, but there is that feeling of awe each time I see this page. So if y'all are on Instagram, y'all have to follow this page. It's called The Creative Soul, and I feel with this kind of talent, she's meant to be in the same caliber as some of the top interior decorators in the country. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.